Hey guys, I just recently installed the Glacier Fresh reverse osmosis system, and so I want to kind of see what it does for my Florida water. I've I didn't test my Florida water before getting a reverse osmosis system, but I know that a reverse osmosis system is going to make things better. So I wanted to definitely improve that and move away from using bottled water to just kind of stay away from plastics, right? So that was kind of my idea here. So I'm going to fill each one of these up and then test them. So let's get some Florida tap water here. Um, I live like inland in Florida. And let's go ahead and see. We're going to hold. Okay, we got that on. It's cleared. Okay, let's go ahead and see. We just want to put this in and not like go past the line. Okay. Cool. 138, which according to this actually falls in the good category. That's really encouraging for me just to know that my regular tap water um, gets into this category. That's pretty great. But let's see what kind of improvement we get um, with the reverse osmosis system. I'm really glad for my own water that it's good, but I wish I had something a little more elevated just to test to see what the reverse osmosis system can do. But let's see what that reduces it to. Okay. This is the new spout I have that was installed from this. I really enjoyed having this. And by the way, if you're curious, it's super powerful. So it really gives you a lot of water really fast. Okay. Let's go ahead and set this down. I need to clear this. And then we're going to stick this in here again. And that reduced it to 107, which is still in the good parts per million space. So it doesn't really move it from one to the other, but definitely see a reduction there, which is great. So all in all, I'm feeling good about my water in general. I'm glad that the tap is really not bad, but also want to have as much reduction as possible. So that definitely makes me feel better about my drinking water and being able to move away from bottled. So anyway, I hope this was helpful to you. I've definitely loved the Glacier Fresh system. It was pretty easy to install. I had some difficulty with my pipes, but I keep mine. I'll just show you kind of back behind my trash can. It's way back there, and it tucks away nicely. So wasn't too bad. I already had a hole in my countertop, so that made it easy, but it did come with a drill so that you can drill through the countertop if you need to. I was just fortunate that I didn't have to do that. But yeah, pretty great setup. Really not bad at all. And I love that it doesn't require electricity or anything. So yeah, really happy with it.